Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I have fixed 4 vehicle problems on this Suzuki Jimny. 4 vehicles function problems. Okay, this function is worked with this gearbox, and here state normally this motor actuator, and this motor actuator control and moves this wheel, and this two sensor says position of this wheel. This 4wd minus L sensor. The first is 4wd sensor. Normally on this car this backside vehicles work. If you need more power, you should join the forward wheels, and but right now this function does not work on this car. I have checked all of sides, but there is one problem. I have decided yet now on the controller is inside of the car. Yet just I will show. Okay, this is inside of this car, and controller stayed normally here. The driver foot side, and this is controller inside. I have also bought a new controller, but with this new controller was not work it. That's why I have checked it, and inside of this sensor controller there is problem inside this controller. That's why I have built this switch systems, and this switch system complete the broken side of this controller, and the controller will work with this system. Then the function for vehicle function will work. And this is buttons to control 2WD, 4WD, and 4WD minus L. Okay, I will explain a little bit about this building of switch. Okay, this is the main wire to join the power. This is minus, this is plus. Okay, this two cable will join to backside sensor, and also this three wires to join these buttons to control, and these two cable two wires to join this switch the back sides, and this switch gives the power the motor. Maybe I will do, then I will show you the result of my job.